Now, have these units maintained, have them run properly, let the units breathe, and you're gonna save money. The other problem I see a lot of people doing trying to save money is, oh, I'm not home, I'm gonna turn my air conditioner off. Okay,
I do that.
that's going to be really smart. An air conditioner is not made to cool a house off. Everybody says, well, what do you mean? They're made to maintain the temperature. So they're just like a car. Getting up to highway speed or getting down to your desired temperature. Once again, that amp probe, 35 amps. And it's really high amp draw, boom, boom, boom. Really should come back out here another day once the temperatures are relatively, to what I'm looking for, settled in. We go into a house when it's 90 degrees and we work on air conditioner, oh, really high amp draw, come back 2 days later. Oh, that's half of what it was. So you're letting this house get hot. Being hot air going over top of that coil, that refrigerant just expanded further. Now you have to compress it more. That compressor doesn't work the same amount of money for the amount of time it's on. It works off of a load. It's an inductive load. The higher the temperature, the more electricity that thing's drawing. So you have higher temperatures inside because you turned your air conditioner off and now it's trying to cool it back off. You'd be running twice as much, 3 times as much of an amp draw.
I think you
Try to
pissed
cool.
off. I think you pissed off David.
He's
Oh my God! Turn it back on.
I gotta go turn it back on.
Is that, are you saying that in the sense of
3
like
times.
daily use, like if you go to work and you turn it off for the
Yes.
day,
Yes.
or
Yes.
if I'm going on vacation for a week though?
Even then, no.
Is it really?
Really?
Okay, all right.
Wow.
Here's something to, there's multiple parts to air conditioning. And we call them air conditioners, not refrigerators. They're not freezers, they're not meat lockers. It's air conditioner. How we condition air, multi-step process. 1, we remove humidity. It could take 10 days to remove the humidity out of a house. You may have removed the humidity out of the air, the walls, the sheetrock, the wood, your furniture, all that's still holding moisture. So you removed it from the air, but now that's releasing it into the air. So you're taking all this time to remove the humidity. Why the hell would you turn the system off? Oh, it's cool at night. Open the windows, let all the dust, dirt, pollen, and humidity back into the house so all this stuff absorbs it again. Now we have to fight the next day to take it out. That's 1 is humidity. 2, we're removing temperature. 3, we're also filtering the air. So it's a multi-step process. That's why we call it air conditioning, because we're conditioning the air. We're not cooling. We're not just cooling.
So is it good to turn it down a little bit?
We don't recommend no more than a 3 to 4 degree temperature swing because most of the time when you go away to work,
3 to 4 from outside, or 3 to
that's
4
3 to 4
from
degrees
what you normally keep?
temperature swing. Most of the time, people work a standard shift. Well, the standard shift says they're coming home 4 to 5 o'clock at night. It's not the hottest time of the day. Now we're trying to make this unit bring the temperature down. At the hottest point, it's working the hardest it possibly can. And this is when we're going to run our air conditioners? Who came up with this whole theory of we're going to try to save money? Because it doesn't
I
work.
think it's just pure ignorance.